Good morning, everybody. Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with a brand new Storyteller Kit. Of course, this is our April kit, and Maria has outdone herself again. She's got all these photos of her April on here, and it looks just beautiful. So lots of memory making, lots of good times, and I just love it. So beautiful. And she's written on here the Anzac Day service. So it's amazing. So I'm going to show you what's in the kit now. Subscribers, of course, you can add this on and you get your special subscription price. Just add this on with your May subscription and let me show you what's in your kit. So this one is a bumper pack. You're getting some of these are our little rose lace pieces, and there's some little pieces of thread in there as well. And you can see on the layout here, Maria has put the thread up here, and like these are the rose pieces as well. You're actually getting this die, which is amazing, and a sheet of this vellum. Now, Maria is so clever. See how she's cut the die out of the vellum and then used the thread to stitch through it? She's done that on several spots on this layout. Isn't it amazing? But don't fear, one of the things you get in this kit is this instruction sheet. You got the two big photos, and Maria has taken so many step-by-steps for you throughout here. You'll know exactly what pieces to cut out, exactly how she's done it and made everything, because it's all in the book. You've got a laser cut and then a whole bunch of papers, obviously, to create your scrapbooking page. Some of these we've used like this side of, and of course these are your two B-sides. So that is the Storyteller Kit for April. How is your album looking? So this will be April, this will be your fourth one. So soon we're going to be halfway through the year, and I can't wait to see all these albums together. Once we've got 6 months worth, we're going to put Maria's all into an album and show you that, you know, just by doing this every month, you got half a year done already, and at the end of the year you're going to have a whole album. Just these everyday photos. These are not the perfect photos that you're going to take. These are iPhone camera photos, Samsung camera photos. You're just going to print them out and use them to create your year and capture those memories and tell your story. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.